This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sarah Barlow. Come see this lovely split floor plan 3-bed 2-bath home in beautiful Mount Dora. This home features wood plank porcelain tile laid in a beautiful herringbone pattern throughout, guest bath vanity, master pedestal sink and bathroom hardware, new light fixtures including ceiling fans, chandelier and kitchen, hallway lights, bathroom vanity light and exhaust fans all professionally installed in January 2021. The air conditioner was replaced in June 2018 with a 3.5-ton Rheem unit and a Nest Thermostat. This home has a Safe Touch security system that is currently monitored with 3 exterior CCTV cameras and a Safe Touch Doorbell Camera. The kitchen has solid wood cabinetry, updated appliances, a large stainless steel sink, stainless steel touch Moen faucet and granite counters which were installed in January 2020. This home features an oversized 2-car garage with built-in storage. You will have 2 screened-in porches, one at the front of the home looking out to quiet street, one in the rear of the home overlooking your beautiful backyard with wood playset. There is also a separated side yard with drive gate that leads to the detached office space with its own mini-split air conditioner unit, bamboo flooring, cedar beam and trim work. This is a perfect private home office, man cave, she shed, game room, etc. The exterior was painted in February 2018, the interior was painted in January 2021. Don't miss this home in a quiet area located just minutes from downtown Mount Dora, toll roads to take you to all the attractions that Central Florida has to offer, close to lakes and parks and all the things we love about our local community here in Mount Dora. Seller is agent. Make an appointment today. For more information, review the details below.